Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Arginine and Proanthocyanidin Granules, only ways. Open one sachet and dissolve it in about 100 ml warm water, stir until fully dissolved, and drink promptly. Take the mixture once daily, ideally on an empty stomach for best absorption, or follow your provider's guidance. Keep sachets sealed until use, and avoid hot water that can degrade active components. Begin with the recommended dose on the package and consult a clinician for tailored adjustments based on health needs. Measure water and granules precisely to ensure consistent milligrams per serving and avoid doubling doses. If you miss a dose, skip it and continue with your next scheduled dose rather than doubling up. Maintain a simple log of intake and any reactions to discuss at follow-up visits with your provider. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making clear, practical guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control. It makes quick tidy-ups a breeze while you focus on your wellness routine. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for your support. Now let's get back to the video. Use warm water, not boiling, to protect fragile compounds and to help the granules dissolve smoothly into a clear mixture. Aim to drink your serving within 10 minutes of mixing, so potency and flavor are optimal. Choose a consistent time each day to take the product, such as first thing in the morning, to make it an easy habit and to help you notice any changes in how you feel over weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.